Pewdie milestones. I wonder who he could be. Oh, I've searched him up. Ah, another subscriber war, huh? To be honest, I've been subscribed to PewDiePie and more, and I want him to win, so it's time to reveal my trump card. Go subscribe to PewDiePie Peyton right now. Go subscribe to him. Get him to win the battle against the milestone version of PewDiePie, I guess. We need him to win. Need him to win. Has awesome content. He's uploaded over, I'd say about like a lot of videos. He has collabed with someone over 1,000 subscribers recently. One of his videos has blown up. This one, I don't know how. But yeah, go subscribe to him. Get him past PewDiePie milestone. I mean, he's already passed him, but get the subscriber gap more higher up. And yeah, go subscribe to him.